will probably be the fastest beat ever. That sounds super fire. Let's just switch up the sound. Ooh, that's sounding dangerous, bro. Let's just add this flute in there for some like extra melody in there, because right now it's sounding a little, it's sounding fire, but let's just add this flute in there. I think it will fit the beat perfectly. And right here we'll add another 808. I just made this pattern unique, and let's just add this smacking 808. One of my favorite 808. Copy and paste that in there. Make sure you cut this right here like that, and that will just like give like a little switch up inside of the beat. That's a sweet beat. Sorry for the lighting on this video, but this tutorial showed you how to make like a crazy Lil Baby type beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio. Like imagine this on his new album. It's got a new album coming out as well. I forgot about that, but this beat shows you how to make like a beat for his new album, Lil Baby album. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.